I have no idea where the fuck I'm going. What's up, everybody? I'm a badass gamer. Welcome back to the Evil Within. It's been a while. Oh, this shit's open. I forgot I opened this. That dude's still up there. God only knows what the fuck he's doing. It's over here. Ah, ooh yeah. Are we gotta go in here to set? What the fuck?
Shit. Better find cover.
What the fuck? Dude's got a fucking rifle. What the? Where do I go? Asshole. Oh, there's stairs here. Oh, it's this place. Fuck it. Can't go in there. Oh, there's a box. Is there anything in it? No, of course not. Why would there be? It's stupid to even look there. Will this hurt me? No? Alright. Well, let's go up here. What is making that fucking noise? Seriously. Dude's got issues. No. Are you trying to get yourself killed? Well, it's gotta be down there, right? There's a bomb down there. What is this? A bottle. Don't even know if I need it. What's this? Woo! Pistol ammos. I need that shit. Still nothing. Yeah, there ain't shit out there. Okay, so we... Ah! Bastard. Boop. Done. What the hell? What are you? What are you? Well, thank God you're there. What if I hit you with a... Ah, shit. Oh, there was blood in that thing? That's disgusting. I meant to hit him, not me. Shit. Ooh! What are these things? Another key. More pistol ammo. Matches. Don't need. Bring you. It's always good. Let's see. Whoa. Okay, that works. Alright, let's try and find out where the hell we're going. I don't want to go... Oh, I see. Stupid bear traps. What's this? Oh. Okay. So that's another way up. Suppose that's good. Doesn't necessarily help me in my current situation. But it works. For something. What's in here? More brain goo. More brain goo. What's this? Matches? I don't fucking... I would like to get my... I would like to get my hatchet back. What the fuck? Oh, there's a ladder here. Oh, it's some piggies. Hello. Those are kind of cute. Oh! Did I hit him? Oh my god. Oh shit, I killed it. Ah, shit. No! Stupid! No! No! I meant to hit the fucking... the barrels, asshole. Oh, fucking hell. I can't even break them. Here's a bomb. Let's get rid of that. What do we have out here? Besides a bear trap, which we're going to rid ourselves from. And then there's this fucking thing. Yeah. What's that? Oh shit, there's a bomb there. Or at least there was. Explosive bolt? I don't even have anything to use it with. How are you gonna give me a damn bolt if I can't even use it? And I have shotgun shells or something, and I can't use that shit either. Got a flaming barrel there. Another one here. Oh, fuck you. Oh, fuck you. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Oh, god damn it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get... Headshot. Ah, fuck you. Ah, fuck you. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you both. So, fuck you guys. I'm leaving, and you bastards can suck the barrel of my fucking pistol. Ah, shit. There you go. Boop. Okay, that didn't work. Did not work at all. Did I kill it? Did I kill it? I killed it. Alright, I need to heal, because this guy's a fucking asshole. Damn near dead. What else do we have out here? I need or not matches. What's this? I find secret. What is this? Oh, are you the fucker with the gun? Oh fuck! I almost walked over that. Either way, you're dead. You're dead. You're a dead man. Fuck. That was not the guy with the pistol. That guy's still alive. Shit. Well, let's get rid of that. Shit. Shit. Oh, what's that? That's nothing. Son of a bitch. Alright, so most of this is going to be like finding out what the fuck I'm doing and clearing this whole bloody... Oh, fuck you. Oh, fuck you. Give me the bottle. Give me the bottle. Give me the bottle. Is he coming out? Go over there. Oh, fuck you then. Alright. Fuck, fuck. What does this do? Oh! Goodbye, bitch. Okay, that didn't work at all. I'm sorry, but you were in my way. What's that? Oh, shit. Oh, fuck you. I don't even know where you are. Take this to your face. Ha! Ha ha, bitch! Oh, shit, there was another one. Oh, shit, there was another one. Oh, fuck, there's another one. Don't have enough ammo for you bastards, so you're gonna have to share. Oh, come on. Fuck! If this bastard could hit, he's so much better off. Well, fuck you then. I'm out of ammo now. But I do have this. What's this? Yeah, I get it. Oh shit. Grab it. You're such an asshole. I don't have anything to kill you with. If I miss these shots, I'm good as dead. Oh fuck. Oh, it's you. You're the... God damn it. God damn it. What the fuck? Son of a bitch. Why didn't I use the fucking trap? Damn it. That one bitch had a fucking torch. Could've used that, but no. I'm not smart enough. Fucking, oh. Alright, that's a lot of blood. Let me play. Let me play. What the... Oh, fuck you. You're gonna put me all the way back here? Fuck you. Fuck you. That's bullshit. That is total bullshit. And you're still gonna take that shit away from me? You son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. That shit. Well, that's a fucking piece of shit thing to do. Fuck you. Alright, well, I guess that does it for this episode of The Evil Within. Fuck. Oh shit. I did not see you there. I did not see you there. That's bad. That is bad. I'm hiding up here. So a way you can maybe run? Because that bastard's in here now. Alright, I think we're safe. Anyway, that'll do it for this episode of The Evil Within. Hope to see you guys in the next one. I think he's seen me. I think he's seen me. Alright, well, that's it for this episode. See you guys later.